Hey guys, in this video we're going to be talking about similar triangles. So here's some important points to note about similar triangles. If a line is drawn parallel to one side, so parallel, that's a key word, to one side of a triangle and intersects the other two sides, then it divides the sides proportionally and the new triangle form is similar to the original. So this is what we mean. So let's say we have a triangle here with different angles. So I'm just going to label them like maybe this is 45 degrees, 63 degrees, and then this has to be 72. So they add up to 180. Yeah, 72. And if a line is drawn parallel to one side. So let's say I pick this side right here, this bottom side, and I draw a line parallel to one side. So this is the side I'm drawing it parallel to, and intersects the other two sides. So it has to intersect this side and this side over here. So let's go ahead and draw that line. So it's a flat line, it's parallel. So I'm going to use the arrows to indicate that they're parallel. And now that these two are parallel and intersect the two sides, so parallel, yes. Intersects the two sides, yes. Then it divides the sides proportionally. So that means that, this side, let me use the highlighter. So this side over here is proportional to this whole side. And I'll show you an example with the numbers soon. But what we're saying here really is that, they're similar triangles. So this angle right here that forms, this is also 45 degrees. And this angle right here, this is also 63 degrees. So that's really what we're trying to get at here. And also they're similar triangles, which means this smaller triangle, so let's erase this. So this smaller triangle right here is proportional, entirely proportional, the sides and the angles, to this bigger triangle, the original big triangle. So let's check an example with the numbers. So let me draw one. Let's say I have a triangle here with here, and here. And let's say this is, this intersects, it's parallel. Let me draw the arrows to show that they're parallel. And let's say this side is 8 from here to here. So let's use a different color. So 8. And this side right here, this is 12. And this whole thing, we don't, let's just go for the bottom. This bottom part right here, this is x plus 2. And this is 5. So remember that the whole triangle, so since they're parallel, this line over here intersects both the sides. We know that this small triangle is proportional to this original big triangle. So what we're going to do is kind of make a proportion with fractions. So if we add this up, we're going to get the total side, but we don't have to do that yet. So 8 equals, this is proportional to the 12, right? They're on the same, small triangle kind of thing. So, and then x plus 2, and then 5, because they're on the same side. So if we cross multiply, I'm going to get 8 times 5, and I'm going to get 8 times 5, and then I'm also going to do 12 times x plus 2. So I would get 8 times 5 is 40 equals 12x plus 24. Because remember, we have to multiply 12 by the x and the 12. So subtract 24 on both sides, and I'm going to get 16 equals 12x. Divide 12 on both sides. So Divide 12 on both sides. And I get 4 over 3 equals x. So this side is going to be 4 over 3 plus 2. So, which is 4 over 3. Oh, it's not writing. So 4 over 3. Okay, let's try again. This color. 4 over 3 plus 2. Try to get the same denominator. So I'm going to multiply this by 3 times 3. And that's going to give me 4 over 3 plus 6 over 3, which is 10 over 3. So this whole side, this pink side, equals 10 over 3.